Hey guys, this is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind. I just want to take a very quick, risky scalp sell. Today is the 15th of September 2023, and yeah, let me just see. I'm just trying to get lucky with this trade. If I get lucky, I'll make about, let's say, $10,000 on this trade. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah. So if you recall, we started this account with $250. And yeah, we made the hedge the last time. We made some profits the last time. That was the last video. And yeah, we made a withdrawal of about $10,350 so far. And we're going to make another withdrawal once we get up to $60,000 in profits. But for now, we've made only about a little over $53,000 in profit so far. And let's see how this trade plays out. I'm just trying to get lucky. This is not, I'm just trying to get lucky. So we'll see how this trade plays out. If I'm right, then that's $10,000. I'm going to withdraw that immediately. Like, share, and subscribe. If I'm wrong, then I hedge out the trade. What is hedging out? Hedging out means that I'm not going to take any loss. I'm gonna, the same way hedge funds do it, the guys who trade billions, I'll hedge out of the trade to lose nothing. And this is how I'm able to grow my account very fast. In about 4 or 5 months, I've been able to make over $53,000 profit from $250 deposit. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Miracle Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And also, if you want to test my software that does all this analysis for me that you can see on the screen on MT4, sign up with Miracle Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram too. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, I had to hedge out this trade. This is what I teach at hedgingmastermind.com. We teach this kind of trades, live scalping, live hedging. And yeah, I try to get lucky. We'll see how this plays out. We're in about $1,500 loss. This trade is being hedged out. We'll see how everything plays out. If you want to learn how to do this, you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I'll be right back when we have more events in the market soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, we're back. As you can see, the market went down. I closed the sell, and we still have a buy that I'm holding. Okay, eventually the market is going to go up. Okay, I think there's news coming up in a few days. Okay, so yeah, it's just trying to fool the money to take in sales. Eventually it's going to go up, and we'll be right back in the market when we see what happens next. Like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells on, and make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in the description below. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, we're kind of in over $2,700 loss. We've made some profit with swap. So I'm gonna just take a smaller 7 lots buy. Let me set the take profits and set it all the way up here, because I know it's still gonna go up. It's just fooling dumb money. So we'll be making about $1,600 profit on that. It's gonna go out and take out the 18 lot size buy. Okay. This is what we teach at hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You learn how to hedge. You learn how to follow them. In fact, you get the software that does all this analysis that I'm doing for free. Okay, we started this account with $250 so far. Look at all these beautiful trades. Look at it, and we've made $10,000 in withdrawal, over $10,000 in withdrawal, and yeah, over $50,000 in profit. So let's see how this plays out. The market is going to go all the way up. It's just trying to fool the money into taking sales, and yeah, this is how you should be growing your account, taking no losses, growing all the way, compounding fast, and making withdrawals. If you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're back, and I'm just going to close this very quickly with $1,330 profit. Yes, the market is still going to go all the way up. However, these are risky trades that I took. Okay, I was just trying to get lucky, and there's news coming. Okay, the market is trying to fool the money. I tried to get lucky. It tries to play me. I was able to hedge it out a bit, because of the software that I had. I was able to take advantage of the market because I knew where the market was going to go. If I say the market must go up, it must go up. If I say it must go down, it must go down. Eventually, we were able to come out with some little profits, which was great. $200 from that 18 lot size, and $1,380 from the 7 lot size trade. This is the power of trading the right way. We're not using support and resistance. We're not using moving average. We're not using Bollinger. Just looking at the price simply, and knowing where the market is going to go. This is what it's taught at hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, we made a good profit of almost $10,600. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells for more videos like this. And make sure to join my live streams for when I give free signals, which I'll announce in the Telegram group. Make sure you join that, link in the description below. And we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market.